Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to use CPA Lead's App Store Review Verify advertising option for cost per install. Our App Store Review option allows advertisers without setting up any SDK or third-party tracking systems to get application installs and verified App Store reviews in the process. Reviews are a surefire way to increase your App Store optimization. Your campaign ad will look like the screen you see here. A user will be presented with a few steps. First and secondly, they will need to open your application store page and install your application. On the third step, they will need to leave a rating and a review. On the fourth step, they will verify their review by entering their name. Once this process is completed, your campaign will reflect the application install. Now that you have seen an App Store review campaign, let me walk you through how to set one up. After creating a CPA Lead advertiser account and logging into the self-serve platform, click the Create New Campaign in the Campaign menu. In the Campaign Type dropdown, select the Cost Per Install and Cost Per Event option. For this tutorial, we will be skipping the wizard and going straight into all options. On this page, paste a link to your Google Play or iTunes URL and we will fetch details about your application automatically, or you can simply enter your campaign details in the Creative Information section. Now, scroll down to Tracking and Attribution. Select the App Store Review Verify option. Once you have set up your targeting and bidding options, click the Submit button. Your campaign is now launched on CPA Lead. You will then get a notification of your campaign approval within 24 hours.